Hey, what is up guys, and welcome back. So in today's video we're going to be announcing the winners for the Holybro TrickShot competition that was hosted on FPV-Link.app. Now if you don't know what FPV-Link.app is, it's basically a social media platform where it's just dedicated for FPV pilots. So you can grow your following there, meet other people, and do all kinds of crazy cool stuff, sell your stuff even. There's a marketplace, there's all kinds of things you can do there. I've created it just for us. It's a small, tight community, and it's just constantly growing, and I'm trying to give back as much as possible through it, such as these competitions right here. So for the competition, it was very simple. You just post your sweet lucky miss or some insane gap hit, and we got a couple of entries here. And again, this platform is still new, so when I host competitions, your probabilities of winning are very high because it's still growing and not a lot of people still post most of their stuff. Even though we have roughly over 1,000 users currently, not many people post their stuff. So your probabilities of winning are very high when I do these competitions, which is really nice. So let's get started here. First place is going to win the Hakcrc F7 V1.5 complete with the F3 ESCs and also a video transmitter. And for second prize, it's the mini complete stack with the ESC and the video transmitter as well. So for first place winner, we have GETFPV, and his Instagram I'll have linked down below, which is this video right here that won first place. And let's go ahead and take a look at it together here. His Instagram will be linked down below. Definitely check him out. So he's going to go through the hoop, but it's what happens after the hoop, which is pretty insane also. He went in, bam, he just went through that. From the recovery, he just ended up going through that gap. That's just insane, actually. That's just like, it's a sick gap hit plus a sweet lucky miss right there. Boom. Punch out right through that little tiny gap. That's insane. I'll have a link to that video down below. Go ahead and check it out. Also, I'll have a link to the competition down below so you can go ahead and see people's entries and see what you like and then write them something nice maybe. Second place winner is actually this one here. His name is Marco. I can't pronounce the last name, so we'll keep it at Marco. By the way, the winners, just write me here with your address, and then I'll forward that to Holybro so they can send you out your stuff. So the second place winner is Find Me FPV on Instagram. And check this out. It's just a sweet lucky miss. He did a front flip, just barely went through those two little things. I wish we could make this a bit slower here, but unfortunately we cannot. So let's go ahead and take a look at it one more time. So you can see a front flip and then right through the ceiling and the pipe, which is pretty insane actually. I've had that happen to me a couple times, of things of this nature. You could also see other people with the same kind of misses here. But I found that to be the most, like, just the slimmest gap possible you can probably go through. And the recovery was really nice because you could tell he stayed calm and cool as he's coming down. Usually when something like that happens to somebody, they just want to do a flip for some reason. I'm like that too. If I had like a really close encounter, I'll do a flip like just 2 seconds later. I don't know why, but I see a lot of people do that also, and I find that very funny. But here he didn't do that. He just straight up just carried on like nothing really happened. And yeah, that's just interesting. So you see he just kept going. He probably shit himself, but who knows? I know I would have. And yeah, so Marco, also write me here. And again, everything is linked down below, from the FPV link to their Instagrams. Go ahead and check them out. And also you can check out the other posts. And I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.